Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. In simple definition, you can say seven LEDs combination of seven LEDs in a rectangular format is known as seven segment. To display numbers and alphabets. Okay, so seven segment is generally used for to displaying LED, displaying numbers as well as alphabets. Okay, so this is the seven segment we will work on. It has 10 pins. In, in general, when you see an hardware, sorry, I think my screen is not visible to you guys, right?
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. Can you see that?
Yes.
So this is the LED combination, but it has 8 LEDs, as you can see that. How many LEDs are there? One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, and 8. Why is there eight LED? Can anyone tell me that? Okay, you can see that here. There is a dot. Can you guys see that? There is a dot. When we want to display a decimal point number, okay, so is it possible without using the dot? No, it's not possible. So the dot is used for to display decimal point numbers. Okay, clear? So totally it has 8 LEDs and it all defined as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and dot. Okay, the LEDs are defined as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and dot. Okay, the two pins are here common pin. They can be common cathode or common anode. They can be common cathode or can be common anode. Right? What is the meaning of common anode and what is the meaning of common cathode? Can anyone tell me that?
Same cathode, same anode.
Can you see that? Can you guys see that? This is LED A, this is LED B, LED C, LED D, E, F, G, and dot pin. Okay, and this one is your common pin, right? So, if we want, what is the meaning of common cathode? Common cathode means our cathode ends are common. And if we want that LED to glow, if we want that this LED, LED A to glow, then we have to send here a logic 1 signal. Okay, we have to send a high signal to this LED, and here we can send according to that. Okay, right? And in case of common anode, we have to send logic 0 to these pins in case of common anode, because in case of common cathode, common pin is connected with the ground. Okay, and common anode in case of common anode, this common pin will be connected to VCC. You can say 5 volt, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it?
No, that is right.
Uh, okay, one more time, I will explain it. Okay, there are 8 LEDs. Okay, and 8 LEDs, the common means cathode end of all the LEDs are connected. Okay, and those common pin are connected to ground. If it is a common cathode, then common pin is connected to ground. So if we want to glow any LED, we just have to send their logic 1 or logic high signal to those pins. Okay, the other ends. Got my point? And in case of common anode, ends are connected with plus 5 volt. Okay, so if we want to glow any of these LED, we have to send what logic 0 or 0 volt to these pins. Okay, to glow any LED, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So in hardware, in real, there are 10 pins. In reality, there are 10 pins. Seven LEDs, and 8 is dot pin, and 2 are common pin. So our 7 segment can be common anode type or can be common cathode type. Okay, so you have to recognize it. What type of 7 segment you are using? If it is a common anode type, if it is a common anode type, so you have to connect this common pin to 5 volt. Okay, and all the things you want to glow other LEDs, then you have to send logic 0 to other pins. Is it clear? And in case of common cathode, you have to connect this common pin with logic 0. Okay, logic 0, or you can say ground. And other A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and dot pin you want to glow, then you have to send logic 1 to these pins. Is it clear, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you understand the concept of 7 segment, right? If you guys want to note it down, so I will give you a brief example. This, okay, this is the connection. Okay, if you want to understand in Proteus, which is your common anode type and which is your common cathode type, so just see the pins. The seven pins are connected here, and the eighth pin here. It will be connected here. Like if it is on top, means it is a common anode type, and it is in bottom. If it is in bottom, then it is common cathode type. Is it clear, guys? Right? Let's see on Proteus. What is it? I guess it's save new project. Okay, what is the microcontroller we use? AT89C51, right? And what is the component we want? 7 segments. So if you want to search it here, just use numeric 7 and then seg. 7 seg. And there are a lot of 7 segment libraries are here. So just select the common here. Common anode and common cathode type. Right? Is it clear, guys? Let's take common cathode type here. As you can see, 7 sec common cathode. Okay, red color. So, okay, and what we want is, okay, one more thing. What we want is, we want to connect all the pins to uh, port 2. Okay, port 2 pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So these are pins. All these pins are connected with. This one is pin A of 7 segment. This one is pin B. This one is pin C. This one is pin D, E, F, G, and this one is dot. Right? Is it clear? What is A in this 7 segment segment structure? What is A? Let's understand it first. Okay. Can you guys see that this one is A? The first one, the top one is LED A, and after that the second one is LED B. Then this one is LED C. This one is LED D. This one is LED E. This one is F. This one is G, and this one is dot pin, or you can say H. Is it clear?
Yes.
This one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay. Now, here's the question. If we want our, if we want to display 0, if we want to display 0 in a common cathode type 7 segment, means common cathode, we have to send logic 1 to the LEDs we want to turn on, right? So which one is logic 1 if we want to display number 0?
A.
A, only
A, B, C, D, E, F.
E, F, not G, right? G and H should be low. Okay. And if we want to display number 1, then B and C should be high and other should be low, right?
Yes.
And what if we want to display 2 using this structure?
A, F, G, C,
A,
F,
F,
G.
no, F is wrong. 2, number 2, I'm asking.
A, B, C, E, D.
Right, you can read it. It's A, B, G, E, and D should be high to display number 2. And what if we want to display number 3? A, B, G, C, and D. Okay, got my point? That's how we
Yes.
can display different numbers, right? And if we want to display character A, what we can do? Character A, alphabet A. Then D and H should be low and other should be high, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
96250.
Okay. Now, let's go here. Listen, this one is digit 0. This one is 7 segment common cathode type structure. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we are not considering H here, right? So for digit 0, our G should be 0 and other should be high in case of common cathode 7 segment display, right? And if we take this structure A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then the hex value will be 3F, right? The hex value will be 3F. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. And in case we want to display numerical value 1, then B and C should be high and other should be low, right? Then in that case, the hex value will be 0x06, right? And in case of 2, similarly, in case of 2, we can calculate like what is the hex value? 5B. And then in case of 4, 4F. No, sorry, is in case of 3. In case of 4, it's 0x66. So we can find out all the hex values according to our requirement. Like if we want to display 0, then we can use 0x3x, right? Let's do one code here, a small code. I guess it's already written here. Don't worry, we can use it. Okay. File, new project. Let's use project 7. Okay. We want this project to be this. Okay, 7 sec. Uh, Demo, you can say 7 sec demo. What is the controller name? ET89C51. Now we add it. Okay, so okay, I guess add it to. Okay, here add close. We have already added it. Okay, now we can change the references like in target. We can change it. What is the value? What is the value of XTA? You guys remember it, right? 11.0592. Okay, the output will be create hex file. Okay, that listing will be hash include file. Then debug, limit speed to real time, and utilities, use external tool for flash programming. Okay, is it clear, guys? Okay, let's write down the code here. I'm not using it this code, but I'm just copying it to save some time. Okay. Now, this is the header file. We have created a delay, and okay, let's remove all this. Okay, now what we want to display number 0 on the 7 segment display. What we can write here, first of all, let's connect on port. Yes, it's port 2, right? It's port 2, and other pin is connected with, will be connected with the ground. Okay, got my point. So what we do, let's just say P2 equals to 0x00, right? Now what we do, will use infinite loop while 1, or we can make it as P2 will be, what will the value of let's take 0b for once. Okay, 0b. Okay, 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 0x3f is here, and suppose it. Let's check this one, right? We have changed all the configurations, right? Just translate it, and it is giving me an error. Okay, what is the error? I guess we have to use 0x3f. Okay, what is the warning here? Missing return value. Okay, guys, I think this is the code for display number 0, right? And we can build it, and we can test it here. What is it? I think not knowing why. Okay. If we want to display 0, what we can do? We can change it 0x0f to 0x3f, right? Okay, I think it's not built yet. Yeah, we have displayed a number 0, right, guys? Guys,
Yes.
okay. Do you guys understand it? What is the
Yes,
concept?
yes.
Okay. Now, what we can do is to use a delay function, delay of suppose 100, and let's take it to the next level. We want to run a counter here. Okay. What is the value of 1? 0x0. What was the value of anyone? It was like 0b 0000 and 0 1, 0. Okay. So what is the value of b? It will be like 0x06, right? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So we can write it 0x06. And what is the value of 3? What is the value of 3? For displaying 3, we have to uh, turn on A, B, C. Let's see the chart. 5B, 4F, 6X. Okay, let's build this and let's hope this will work. Why it is showing display? Okay, the name mistake. Okay, done. Let's see. Let's change of. I think it's complete. Okay, guys. Do you understand how it is working?
Yes.
Okay. Now it's your task to complete this counter from 0 to 9. This counter from 0 to 9. Okay. And this is not the method you will use. This method you will not use. You will use an array concept. Okay. How we can use an array concept? Suppose let's take a name int scg. Okay, equals to 0x3f 0x06 0x5b 0x4f and then 0x66. Right now, you don't have to write this. What you have to do, just use the for loop and let's say I comma for I is equals to 0, I less than 5, I okay. Now what you have to enter here, 2 equals to, you have to write cg of I, right? Will it work, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so I just test this code from 0 to 4, and what you guys have to do, you have to run this counter from 0 to 9 and then run it back from 9 to 0. The first task is this. What is your first task in 7 segment? To create a counter from up count and down count. Okay, up count and down count, right? You can do that.
Yes.
Okay, so here are some reference you can use. If you want to note it, you can note it. Note this part. To write the code, just note the hex value. Okay, this is the common cathode and this one is common anode, right? So hex value will be difference for common cathode and it will be different for common anode. Right, guys? Is it different?
SPF, right?
Okay. Yeah. In case of 0, you can see that it's 0x3f. In case of 0 in common anode, it's 0x40. Because as I told you earlier, 0 is used for turn on the LED in case of common anode, because common pin will be connected to plus 5 volt. So we can turn on an LED using what? Voltage difference of 5 volt, right? So here is for 0, here is for 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to till F. Okay. So there is a so if you want to write down, you can use this. Okay, but you can make it on your own. These are the type. These are the BCD to 7 segment decoder. Okay, guys, do you understand the 7 segment concept? Can you do these exercise? Question 1: display only even digit and display only odd digit. Is it possible?
Yes.
Okay. And third one is take two 7 segment display and display numbers from 00 to 99. Do you understand this question?
Yes.
What is it? We have to take two 7 segment display and display number from 0 to 99. Right? And third one, just leave it as it is. Fourth one, read switch case for case. Okay, just try to complete these three in 7 segment, and you can do one more exercise. You can add two buttons, two switches, one switch for up count and one for down count. Do you understand my question? What we will need to implement?
Yes.
Okay, what is it?
One to up and one for down. One button for up and one button.
Okay,
Yes.
so just try these examples. How many examples we have discussed today?
Tôi xích rồi nhưng mà ông hỏi thêm nha. Ông
One is
nói gì không?
LED patterns. We have shared. I have shared the on the chat box, and others are assignment this from this question, from this assignment, and third is for 7 segment, right? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so how can you submit those tasks me? How you are going to do that? Can anybody tell me how you are going to do that? How will you share?
Tôi hay về thuốc tôi có chắc bóc. Sorry.
Can you guys like show me if anyone have done this task, or individually it will be difficult, but you guys can share it. Just you guys will show me tomorrow, right?
Okay.
All the
Yeah.
right, guys.
Yes.
You will show me tomorrow what you guys are doing, and right now, please do the assignment questions.
Okay.
Okay, because I have some work to do, so that's why I'm not going to continue. Just do the assignment questions. Okay, and I will take the attendance from here.
I send you. I send you. In the system.
Yeah.
So because he
you.